Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to use YouTube editor. So you have to click on your thumbnail and then you go on YouTube Studio Beta. You click there, your dashboard, and then you click on videos. There you can see a lot of my videos. So, one very interesting thing, I've just uploaded this, not uploaded, but uploaded, sorry, but I didn't publish this video. So if you click on an unpublished video, it shows like this. So there is no place for you to edit this video. So you need to click next, next, done. It gets published now, and once it's published, if you click again, you see editor button appears here and you can actually edit the video. So there are a lot of things you can do with the editor, but for me the basic thing I like to use today is trimming. So I press next, action.
Okay, so
you see I don't want, when I say action, to be heard. So you select to that point, pull this here, click on split, click on preview, then click on save. It might take few hours, then click save. Your video is being processed. Please check back later. Thanks for watching this video. If it was helpful, please share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.